for this, guys. Spreading it. Hello everyone, I am ChefRogervlog and I'm back with another video. Today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how I prepare Jamaican style stew chicken. Okay guys, this is my chicken. It's 3 pound of chicken, guys, already clean and washed. Right, and this is all my ingredients. Here I have a teaspoon of jerk season. Here a teaspoon of paprika, and here a teaspoon of all-purpose. Right, and this is our natural seasoning. Over here, need some browning, of course. Okay guys, let's go ahead and season our chicken. This is how we do it in Jamaica, guys. I'm gonna go in with roughly a teaspoon of browning. Don't want your chicken too dark. Just gonna go in with our natural season. What I want to do now, guys, is just rub this in together. Don't afraid to get your hand dirty, guys. This is how we do it in Jamaica. Wow, look at that, guys. Looking beautiful already, right? Alright guys, so we're going to put this to marinate for half an hour before we start the cooking process. Okay everyone, after half an hour of marinating my chicken, now I'm going to go ahead and start the process of cooking it. And here are my natural season. That's I'm going to go ahead and cut up after I put the chicken in the pot. Okay guys, and stick around. You want to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next up, you want to go in with your chicken. Just gonna put the lid on, guys, and leave that to spring its own water. Alright. So we're going over here now to cut up our season. this, guys. Spring it in water. Over here, guys, some boiled food to go with it. Alright. At this point, guys, just want to go in with a cup of water, not too much. I'm gonna put back the lid on. What to do now, guys, is going with all this niceness to bring up the flavor. Also, I have about 4 tablespoons of ketchup. So I'll give this a nice stir. To give this a taste now, guys, you must taste to see if it's missing anything. Just perfect, guys. Don't want nothing. The pepper in it, okay, the pimento, just good. So we're gonna cover this for the next 15 minutes. And our stewed chicken should be ready. Wow, that is beautiful, guys. Just so you want your gravy, guys, not too runny, not too thick. So our stewed chicken ready, guys. Turn this off, plate it out, and get back to you guys. Guys, this is the finishing touch of our Jamaican style stewed chicken. Guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and guys, let me know if you want me to cook anything. Just leave it in the comment section. Alright, thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.